Irreconcilable differences. People often use the phrase irreconcilable differences to describe a major falling out between close friends. In family law, however, it is a highly specific statutory ground used for ending a marriage. Irreconcilable differences refers to a permanent breakdown of a marital relationship that cannot be repaired through counselling. Depending on the jurisdiction, it is frequently referred to as an irretrievable breakdown of marriage or a no-fault divorce. This legal concept revolutionized modern divorce proceedings across the US, the UK, Australia, and Europe. Historically, spouses had to prove serious misconduct, like adultery or cruelty, to legally dissolve a union. This new standard allowed couples to divorce without assigning blame or airing embarrassing grievances in court. To proceed, one party simply states under oath that the marriage is irreparably fractured. This streamlined process minimizes hostility and helps families transition peacefully. For example, imagine a married couple who gradually drift apart over a decade. There is no dramatic betrayal or abuse involved in their separation. They simply realize their core life goals no longer align. When filing their petition, they cite irreconcilable differences as the legal justification. The family court judge accepts this declaration without requiring an intrusive trial. The court promptly moves forward to divide their assets and formally terminate the marriage contract.